Today I'm going to be converting decimal to hexadecimal. So we're going to start with these numbers. 567, so these are the ones which are going to be practicing. Now let's start with 567. Now let's do long division for this. 567. So this is 3 times. If you can minus 48, that's 8. Minus 7. 7. So 35 is 2 3 in hexadecimal and plus the remaining 7. So 567 is 237 in hexadecimal. Next 369. So 16 goes into 36 2 times. This is 4. Then we need to bring down this 9. 16 goes into 49 3 times. 16 times 3 is 48. 49 minus 48 is 1. So 23 in hexadecimal is 17 and plus the remaining 1. Next, we start at 768. It's fully divisible by 16. There's no remainder. 76. 16 goes into 76 4 times. 16 times 4 is 64. 76 minus 64 is 12. Now let's bring down this 8. 16 goes into 128 8 times. 16 times 8 is 128. 128 minus 128 is 0. So 48 is hexadecimal is 30 and then this 0. Next 634. Now we're going to be talking about these. Now 16 goes into 63 3 times. 63 16 times 3 is 48 and 63 minus 48 is 15. Now let's bring down this 4. Now 16 goes into 154. 16 goes into 154 9 times. 16 times 9 is 144. 154 minus 144 is 10. So 39 in hexadecimal is 27, and do you know 10 has a very special value called A. 10 corresponds to A, 11 corresponds to B, 12 corresponds to C, 13 corresponds to D, 14 corresponds to E, and 15 corresponds to F. Oh, 761. Now let's start with 761. 16 goes into 76 4 times. 17. So 16 times 4 is 64. 76 minus 64 is 12. Now let's bring down this 1. 16 goes into 121 7 times. 16 sevens are 112. And 121 minus 112 is 9. So the answer to our calculation is 47 is 2F plus the remaining 9. Now 345. So 16 goes into 345. 16 goes into 34 2 times. 16 times 2 is 32. 34 minus 32 is 2. Now let's bring down this 5. 16 goes into 25 1 time. 16 times 1 is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So 21 in hexadecimal is 15 plus the remaining 9. Now we're going to be talking about 417. So 16 goes into 41 2 times. 16 times 32 is 16 times 2 is 32. 41 minus 32 is 9. Bring down the 7. So 16 goes into 97 5 times. No, 6 times 6. 16 times 6 is 96. 97 minus 96 is 1. So 26 is 1A in hexadecimal and then a 1. So 1A1 is hexadecimal for 417. Now 256 is the most easiest one. See, it's the most easiest. Now we're down to 214 and 201. 16 divided by 214. 16 times 16 goes into 21 1 time. 16 times 1 is 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. Now let's bring down this 4. 16 goes into 54 3 times. 16 times 3 is 48. 54 minus 48 is 6. So 13 is D plus the 6. So 214 is D6 in hexadecimal. Now for 201. So 16 divided by 201. So 16 goes into 21 time, then 20 minus 16, that's 4, and then 1. So 20 minus 41, 2 times 41 minus 32, that's 9. So C9. So C9 is the hexadecimal value of 201. This was too easy. So if you like this video, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.